Are your flying geese a little too big? Today, we're sizing flying geese units. The first step to sizing flying geese is to take the peak and have it lined up under your ruler so you can see that 1/4 inch line, and make sure you got a 1/4 inch from the very peak of your goose fabric all the way up to your edge. Kind of line it up with the rest, make sure it's a little straight. You see, I mostly just have that little ear to cut off, but I'm just gonna go ahead and trim anyways. Once I get that side done, I'm going to go ahead and flip it and do the long side of that goose. So I'm going to be sizing this one to, we're going to show you like a really extreme example. So we're going to be taking this one down so that it's 1 inch finished. So I'm going to get it perfectly lined up with that 1.5 inch line. And trim. Once you trim the height, you can trim the width of the unit. So I've taken mine and I see that it's 3.5. Half of 3.5 is 1 3/4. So I'm going to measure, and you can even see here where I've lined up my ruler so it's exactly on that peak point. And I'm going to measure 1 3/4 to that edge. Get all lined up nice and straight down here. Trim the one side. And then I'm just going to flip it around. That same measurement, 1 3/4. I like to line up that little peak mark. That way, whenever I go to sew, I know I've got exactly a 1/4 inch from that point everywhere. Just helps with accuracy and not losing points. All right. And there you go. You've sized your flying geese unit. Sizing is a really great way to increase your accuracy. I hope this has helped with your flying geese units, and thanks for watching.